Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. In this video, I'm going to recreate this look. If in case you guys like this makeup look, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell if in case you want to see more such videos. And by the way, a very happy new year to all of you. May God bless you all. Stay healthy, live healthy, just keep smiling always, be very positive, keep on doing the good work, be very nice and genuine, and just be happy, okay, and live healthy definitely and look gorgeous. So happy new year again, and this is the makeup that I created for my new year 2018. And if you also want to create this look, then keep on watching the video till the end to know how I created this look. Also follow me on my social media, all links are there in the description box below. You can buy affordable makeup from me as well, that is also linked down there in the description box below. There's my new channel Vartika Anand, where I upload makeup for beginners and stuff like that in Hindi, so definitely subscribe to that channel as well. It would mean so much to me, and thank you for all the love and support. Happy new year again, and keep on watching the video to know how I created this look. My face is all clean and ready for my makeup, and before makeup it's important to tone up and moisturize the face. So I'm using my Look Gorgeous serum, which is handmade, and definitely it helps in beautifying, plus it helps with my pores, plus it helps with making my face moisturized, plus makes my face toned as well because it has everything. And after that, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Mousse foundation in the shade number 6 Warm Honey. Definitely you can use any product which you have and follow the step-by-step makeup tutorial with your moisturizer, foundation, etc, etc. But I'm using the products which I personally like, even if they are of not very high-end brands, even if they are normal Chinese brands, but I love these, so I'm just using these. Okay, so I'm just gonna buff the foundation really well into my skin, and I'm looking for kind of a natural look, not that high coverage. So I'm using a beauty blender rather than a kabuki brush, and this beauty blender is from Professional. It's only for rupees 150, and it works beautifully. It's nice and soft. It gets a double, triple in size after I wet it in water. So it's a nice beauty blender to buff the foundation really well into the skin. After that, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is a product which is tested on animals. I didn't know about it when I purchased this, but anyways, the quality of the product is really nice. And Maybelline is definitely a decent brand, no doubt, but I just want that they stop animal testing soon. And maybe they will do that soon because a new law is passed in China. So I'm just waiting for that. Okay, so I'm just blending the concealer really well under my eyes, and that's done. After that, I need to set this all up, and I definitely do not want my makeup to be cakey. I want a really nice, lightweight, transparent, loose powder. So for that reason, I'm using this MNHD transparent loose powder, which is not going to impart any color, but definitely it will set my makeup beautifully. And for my eyebrows, I'm using this Miss Claire dark brown eyebrow pencil. The shade works for my skin tone perfectly, and for my very light eyebrows this works beautifully. So I'm just drawing out the shape of my eyebrows first, and then I filled in the gaps using the same pencil. I'm just gonna make it really simple and easy. After that, I have taken this Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist palette and a rose gold shade, which is a pink shade with silver shimmer, and I've applied it on my eyelid. Then I've taken the brown color, and I'm working the brown color on my outer V of my eyelids. Plus, I'm also going to apply the same on the transition line of my eyelids, just like the way we usually do our neutral eyeshadow looks. So that's what I'm doing. Plus I'm taking the dark brown color as well, just the bronzish shade from my Radius Balm Story, so as to give a little more definition to the look and give the more blendability kind of thing. So I'm just working that as well, and I'm kind of making this transition line defined kind of thing, but I'll blend it later on, so don't worry about it. Currently I'm just doing the same on my other eye as well, just taking the brown shade, buffing that well onto the transition line, just making that round thing on the transition line just to create that nice transition line effect, also working that on my outer V, blending really well on my transition line plus outer V. And after it is done, I'm taking my Kiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Spray. If you want to buy this, you can buy from my Instagram store at Affordable Makeup India. And I'm taking this pinkish shade and also the silver shade from the same palette, and by wetting my brush, what this will do, this is gonna give the more prominent and more beautiful and more visible color on my eyelids. So that's why I have wet my brush, and also this will make my eyeshadow last on my eyes for a very longer period of time. Then I've taken the beige shade, a neutral shade, and just working that under my eyebrow bone, on my eyebrow bone under my eyebrows, just to blend everything nicely. Then taking the same powder again, and just to get rid of any fallouts, using the big powder brush, and that's it. So my whole face is clean now, and now I'm taking this MN eyeliner sketch and using the sketch side to create a normal thick eyeliner, winged eyeliner kind of look. Firstly, I'm just applying it on my upper lashes like we normally do, just a normal line, that's it, and following the shape of my eyelid, of course. And then just from the lower lash line, I'm just making a winged eyeliner on the upper side of my lashes. So I hope you get me. Just making a normal winged eyeliner. That's it. Okay, then I've taken this very favorite product of mine, Swiss Beauty Glow Stick in the shade number 03. This is silver and with pink undertone, so it kind of brightens up the face extremely well and beautifully. So I just love this pinkish highlighter. I totally love this color. I'm applying it on the high points of my face, and that's it, just working it really well. And later on, I'm gonna blend it well with a fan brush only, not a kabuki brush kind of thing, because that just works perfectly for this thing. Currently, I'm just blending it well wherever I have applied it using a fan brush. I'm not gonna blend it extremely well, but yes, at the time when I will apply my powder highlighter over it, so as to set it and so as to make it more natural and more blended, that time I will blend it beautifully with the fan brush. But currently just blending it normally with the fan brush. And after that, I'm taking the blush from the same palette. This is a peachish pinkish blush with a glow in it, so it just helps in making my face look really beautiful, dewy kind of, and more brightened up and more illuminated. So I'm just using this same blush, and that's also easy actually to use highlight, blush, and contour from one same palette. Then taking this contour shade from the same palette and applying it under my blush line, that is from the start of my ear and around my lips. And I think that the contour line is little way too long than I usually do, than I usually do, but no worries, I'll just blend it up later. And just applying it on the sides of my nose as well, so as to make my nose look thinner. I'm not gonna contour my whole face perfectly, but just applying it where I usually like normally, my personal preference, like around the sides of my nose and also on my cheeks. That's it. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty highlighter, which has a different mix of shades, so just swirling the brush in it and then applying it on my bridge of nose, on the cheekbones, and also on my eyebrow bone above my eyebrows to highlight those areas. And also I'm gonna apply it on the center part of my face, so as to blend everything nicely and also to give my face more illuminated look and to look like a torch ball. So basically, I just love highlighters, and it feels nice to look so beautifully highlighted. And then I'm just using this, what is this? This is Kylie Mini Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Angel, and this is the original one, and this is for sale. This is available for sale as well on my Instagram store, so you can buy this as well if you want to buy from me. This is for rupees 620 with me currently. And currently क्या Kylie के lipsticks का fixed है price. Okay, with the custom shipping and everything included, it's for 620 rupees. And it's a beautiful mauve shade with a pinkish undertone. It just looks so beautiful and the formula is amazing and the smell is delicious. Like all Kylie liquid lipsticks, the smell is so pretty. I have full size of this liquid lipstick as well for my personal use. I just love it so much. Then I've applied my false eyelashes as well. Then just applying little mascara to blend those eyelashes, plus also I'm applying it on my lower lashes as well. After that, I'm just gonna use my makeup fixing spray and just shaking it well and then keeping it away from my face, spraying 2-3 times, and then after that I'll just take off any excess with my beauty sponge so as to complete my makeup look.
So this is the completed look. Yes, this is glamorous, but still I can wear this look every day, and also obviously on some special occasions and parties and stuff like that. So if you like this look, then please like, subscribe to my channel, keep on watching, and don't forget to check out the description box and stay connected with me. Happy New Year once again. Stay blessed, live healthy. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care, look gorgeous.